Introducing a virtual reality training simulation for motor skill practice. First, let's take a look at the simulation in action. What you're seeing is a virtual power tool. It resembles a drill machine. You can hold it like this in your hand. Drilling sound and vibrations provide when you press the button. The screw will glow red when it hits the drill bit perpendicularly. You are tasked with screwing a screw perpendicular to a wooden board. When the drill bit touches the screw, a guide screen is presented so that the screw can be tightened vertically. The guide screen shows the screw's tilt. The black and red lines indicate the current drill bit is tilted. You'll see the angle in numbers and screw depth in centimeters. Plus, the screw size is there for reference. If the screw and the drill bit do not contact vertically, the screw will not work. The red screw indicates that the task is going well. The screw only works when it makes contact vertically with the drill bit. The VR screwing task was developed using the Unity 3D game engine. Next, we present controllers that reflect physical fidelity. We assembled 4 parts of a power tool to make the high-fidelity controller. To simulate the weight of an actual tool, we attached a battery to the bottom of the controller. There's the mid-fidelity controller. We removed a battery pack from the power case and did not assemble the chuck and drill power. Thus, the weight of the mid-fidelity controller was similar to that of the low-fidelity controller. Lastly, we have the basic setting, where only the VR controller is used. It involved the use of only the VR controller. It was much lighter than the other 2 conditions. Now, let's see these in action. This is a video of a participant performing tasks in the experiment. Participants had to assume different postures depending on the location of the screws, as they had to screw them in vertically. Here's a demonstration using the high-fidelity controller. The participant wears a VR headset and works in a large area. Because of its weight, the user needs to stabilize it with the left hand while working. The demonstration clips are played at 1.5x speed due to time constraints. Next, we have a demonstration using the mid-fidelity controller. It uses the actual grip of a power tool, providing a similar tactile engagement. The participant carefully engages to align the drill bit horizontally with the drill. To maintain the drill bit vertically and tighten a screw fixed at a low position, one must bend their knees. Finally, here's the session with just the regular VR controller. It's lightweight, making it easy to use. The participants were very meticulous in their power tool training. We conducted experiments in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic. So, for the safety of the experiment participants are wearing vinyl gloves and masks. To wrap up, that's our VR drill simulation. Thank you for watching.